Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. Today, we're diving into the details of the best Hifi XLR cable. This cable is designed to deliver exceptional audio quality and is packed with features tailored for audiophiles and professionals alike. Let's get started. Product features. Advanced structure design. The XLR plug features a female head buckle with a unique locking mechanism. By pressing the protruding button during insertion, it automatically locks to prevent accidental disconnection, ensuring a secure and reliable connection. Balanced and natural sound quality. With a 3-frequency connection, this cable delivers balanced, natural audio. It boasts a grand sound stage, providing a strong sense of presence and precision. The high frequencies are delicate, clear, and smooth, offering excellent extensibility and dynamic performance. The low frequencies dive deep with cohesion and clarity, while the mid-range is rich and balanced. Durable thread body. The cable is constructed with a nylon mesh woven thread body that is both flexible and durable. The approximately 10 mm thick thread body is resistant to deformation and bending, offering wear resistance for long-lasting use. Its sleek and minimalist design adds a professional touch to your audio setup. Wide compatibility. This XLR cable is compatible with a variety of devices, including amplifiers, mixers, CD players, audio amplifiers, front and rear amplifiers, and decoders. It's perfect for both home and professional setups. Multi-layer shielding for pure audio. Equipped with high-fidelity multi-layer shielding, the cable ensures stable and distortion-free sound quality. This shielding avoids the issues of multiple gaps and restores the original sound source with impressive accuracy. Carbon fiber shell and red copper plug. The carbon fiber shell minimizes interference from external electromagnetic waves, while the red copper plug with rhodium plating ensures durability and stability. It is resistant to wear and tear, providing long service life and strong antioxidant properties. Pros. Exceptional sound quality, clear, balanced audio with a strong stage presence and rich detail. Reliable connection. The locking mechanism ensures a secure connection, preventing accidental disconnections. Durability. The nylon mesh thread body is flexible, wear-resistant, and built to last. Electromagnetic interference protection. Carbon fiber shielding ensures pure signal transmission. Wide compatibility. Works seamlessly with various audio devices, making it versatile for home or professional use. Long lifespan. Rhodium-plated red copper plug enhances durability and resists oxidation. Cons. Bulky design. The 10 mm thread body, while durable, might be considered bulky for some compact setups. Limited color options. The simple and professional aesthetic may not appeal to users seeking more colorful designs. The best Hifi XLR cable combines high-quality materials, cutting-edge design, and exceptional audio performance. Whether you're an audiophile or a professional in need of reliable, pure sound transmission, this cable is an excellent choice. Its durability, wide compatibility, and superior shielding make it a standout in the world of audio cables. Don't forget to check the price link in the description and subscribe to Tech Product for more insightful reviews and videos.